Hello everyone, it's a new day. We're now Saturday here, and yeah, today we're gonna explore around. It's a bit like gloomy, but it's still really warm. So we're going to go around. We're going to go to the church, and yeah. And I'm wearing this out. Kind of like jeans top. I feel like a shirt underneath, and then like it's gonna flow pants. And yeah, just put my hair like a bun. Okay, we're at Chiostro Normanno, and it's super silent in here. There's like no one. This is super old. It's from the Norman times. So we just made some pizzas and we bought the dough at the store. So one is with onion sauce, like tomato sauce, and salsiccia sausage, and then the other one is with tonno, also onion, yeah, sauce, and then at the end we're gonna put some mozzarella on it. Okay, look at that. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our cooking class. We're gonna make tiramisu, and it's like a Sicilian recipe from Alessia's mom, so it's gonna be very exciting. And I'm gonna show you what you need to make it. So you need sugar, mascarpone, 500 grams, coffee, cacao, but it has to be like without the sugar. And then these ones, which I don't know how you can say them in
pavesini.
Yeah, biscotti, like these ones. So yeah, and then 2 eggs. So the first thing you do is you divide the white with the yellow, and then you put the white like very hard until it goes like very creamy and white and stiff. Like this. In the yellow you put 5 spoons of sugar, like big spoons. In our B&B. Yeah, even more. It has to be, the white has to be super stiff. Don't worry, I'm gonna write everything down below, because sometimes it's hard to follow. Okay, should be like this. Okay, so for the coffee part, you need 2, cups of this. So should look a little bit like that, like thick. Then you put mascarpone, 500 grams. Very important to use a wooden spoon, so no metal or anything. Don't mix it like, too much. But otherwise, the egg white, it's not good anymore.
No, everything, coffee can go, all in the borders, all in the, everywhere, You just have to put your hands like this.
Okay.
You can go even fast to pour it. See,
it's like a good trick.
See, you're like a coffee maker like this. You cannot split.
Yeah.
You cannot do everything, and just do with this little Italian trick. So it has to be always like this. Look, very neat.
Yeah, so the coffee doesn't go over it.
Like that.
Okay, next step, you put the yellow with the white together. Okay, should look like this. So no over mixing it, because otherwise, it gets too soft. So it has to be a little bit, still consistency in it. Yeah. Next, you put the coffee in one big bowl, the 2 cups, and then you put this and you dip it inside the coffee, and then you put like a layer of this, a layer of cream, a layer of this, a layer of cream, and you go on and go on and go on until you eat it all. Okay, at the end it should look like this. So, and then tomorrow we're gonna put some cacao on it, and that's it. Super easy recipe to make. Okay, this is the end result. Just put some cocoa powder on it. Hello, so now it's Easter Monday and it's like summer outside, like crazy. Yesterday we just stayed here. We went also to the beach to go swimming. It was very nice. It was a bit more colder, but I didn't film anything. But today we're taking the bus and we're going to Canetto, which is like a little town close by, and you can just take the bus from here. Maybe there we're going to go swimming, because right now it's like I'm not used to it anymore. It's just kind of weather. So this one I'm wearing. I'm wearing this white top from H&M, and then this pants from Bershka. They're like linen. Then yesterday Alessio bought me this beautiful ring, which is like all handmade from here. This stone in the middle, very beautiful. It's from this place, and she make like all the stuff handmade. So this beautiful pouch, very sweet. Okay, so what are you wearing? Show me.
The shirt, this one, and the line pants.
And then this is kind of like
it's like a relaxed fit.
Also relaxed fit.
Everything relaxed fit right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this yeah, very beachy, very.
And from where is this shirt?
Beach. This one?
Yeah.
It's from H&M.
H&M, and this?
Yeah. From Intimissimi.
It's like an Italian brand.
Yeah. This one from also Sicilian brand.
I don't know what it's called, this brand.
Antica Sartoria, I think it's called.
Yeah.
And yeah, and this is the outfit today. And very fresh, very easy.
Flowy.
Yeah.
Where are we now?
We are in Canetto, is another part of Lipari. We swam and now we are going to the village.
It's really warm today, no?
Yeah, it's 31.
31, my god.
Very warm for April.
Yeah, yeah, today we're 1 April. Okay, we're at the beach, it's super warm. But yeah, we're just gonna go swimming and do some things, and then maybe later grab a drink, we don't know yet. But yeah, the view is super beautiful here.